Hi everyone, we are at Lake Winnsboro in Texas at this lovely free campsite. We are the only ones here in this huge peninsula. There are 3 free campsites on this lake, and this is the one on the map that is, like I said, at the end of a 1 mile long peninsula. Super secluded, super quiet, and just gorgeous. We have our camper set up right on the lake. You just walk out and see it. We're able to go for bike rides and runs, and it's just farm country. James is, of course, fishing. We're watching the birds go across the water, and it's just beautiful here. Since we're the only ones here, the pugs are loving the freedom of just running loose. Occasionally some cars will drive through, but nothing too bad. They have nice tables. Cooked some venison on the grill today and had s'mores at the campfires. Tybee, you like it here? So yes, definitely recommend this campsite to anybody considering it. Lake Winnsboro, Texas. Comment if you have any questions. Like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.